everyone, greetings of the day. My name is Kapil Chopra from Chitkara University, MBA Finance, specialization in FinTech. So today we will gonna cover the topic Internet of Things and how it is influencing the FinTech market. So when we talk about FinTech, there is always a misconception that it is only related to BFSI Institute, but that is wrong. FinTech is a wider concept. FinTech, the name itself suggests the financial technology. In technology, we have various technologies like NLP, low code, no code, RPA, and others. So Internet of Things, what is Internet of Things? Internet of Things is a network of physical devices. It is like the communication between machines. So when we talk about communication between machines, it is not a new concept. It derived in 18th century when telegraphs were there. After telegraph in 1950 and 1999, internet came. So it changed the whole perspective of communication between things, and it is coined as IoT. So IoT have three perspectives: Internet of Everything and IoT itself and Industrial Internet of Things. Internet of Everything, it is a smart automation intelligent connection between four processes. And in IoT, I have described an Industrial Internet of Things. It is a eyes and ears of the operation. For example, in a power plant, there were robust automations which were done by Industrial Internet of Things. For better understanding, let me give you an example of all of three. In Internet of Everything, there is no trigger required. It will be automatically. For example, a camera is there in a room and it will detect a fire and drone will come to blow off that fire. And in IoT is like smart appliances. For example, smart light. When you through phone, when you switch on the button, the light automatically ons. And Industrial Internet of Things, power plants like eyes and ear. For example, a manufacturing power plant. Things go into manufacturing power plant. The whole automation process is done by Industrial Internet of Things. So where BFSI is being used in FinTech for fraud detection, for asset tracking, and for customer satisfaction. Thank you. Please like, comment, and share for more detailed videos.